It's spray day! All right, thanks for joining our channel. We appreciate you watching. Today we're going to be spraying using our pneumatic sprayer from Harbor Freight. So a lot of the smalls that we've collected over the last period of months, some of them we've used in our space. Some of them we've collected recently that we knew we wanted to spray them all at once, so we wouldn't have to spend all that time brushing all these. So today we're going to be using 15 ounces of paint, 5 ounces of water mixture ratio. And so that'll help us get some of these done.
So just a tip, if you have a retail space and your items are not selling, you may want to rethink and change up the color. And this is just a quick way to give it a fresh look and try it back in your space again.
So, you know, if you are ever wanting to get some tips on the types of decor we do, work a few videos on some key items and show you what else we do beyond the paint job. Just stick around and we will show you how this rolls.
How it sways in the sun, keeping our stories in its motion, lies the truth about us. Things time will tell, we might never know. We'll be gone before it all begins. Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy and of sorrow. I'm dying to know it all. To know it all. See the trees grow, they were here long before. They're keeping our stories, and when we're older, they will still stand tall. Things time will tell, we might never know. We'll be gone before it all begins. Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy and of sorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy and of sorrow. I'm dying to know it all. To know it all. Wasting this time that I borrowed, running too fast for the sun, and my eyes they still burn for tomorrow.
Well, there you have it. We got it all done.
Yes, we painted a lot of smalls in a short amount of time.
And I'm sure I'm glad because I was not interested in hand painting every piece. How many did we do again?
We painted 24 smalls in 20 minutes.
Wow, that's amazing because the time spent and what was the equivalent of spraying 2 coats of what we would have brushed on 2 coats is really going to maximize our time, and we can spend time on other things.
So we used 30 ounces of DIY vintage linen.
We like DIY paint because there's no VOCs, it's all natural, it's clay based, and it's heavy pigmented, so that way you get good coverage and you're not using as much paint.
It goes on smooth and it's easy to distress. If you like to thrift and flip,
and hopefully this video will inspire you to take on a project of your own, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe because we'd appreciate it.
thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.